pads in the market are going to be 100% eco-friendly. Hello everyone. We are aware about the conventional sanitary pads. We have used it, we have purchased it, and we have even purchased it for our women in our home. So have you realized that there are harsh chemicals present in the pads which can cause serious consequences to the body? No, right? Even I haven't thought about it earlier, but it is now time to think about it because there are severe consequences due to the chemicals present in the pads. And right now we are going to discuss about a particular variety of pad, the herbal pads. So you should be wondering why the herbs present in a pad. What does it do to a pad and how does it make a difference? So I'll first bring out the layers in the pad. So it has a non-woven hydrophilic top layer which is breathable, a cotton core with herbal powder, and a leak-proof layer, and the sticking layer which can be peeled off and stick to the panties. So the top layer, which is non-woven, it actually absorbs the blood and keeps the surface dry so that it doesn't cause friction to the skin. And now the blood goes inside to the core, the cotton. This absorbs the blood same and it retains within in it. And below there is a herbal layer with which when the blood comes in contact, the medicinal benefits actually are reflected to the skin and the body. So in the bottommost layer, the leakage proof layer, which has a thin layer of gel, so that the blood which is collected, which goes inside, actually gets converted into gel form. So the gel presence is just that it has to be comfortable without any leakage. And the bottom layer, which is the sticking layer, it is similar to the conventional pads. So when I say there is a gel and a leakage proof layer present in the pad, you must be thinking it is not eco-friendly. Yes, so these particular pads are 80% eco-friendly, and none of the pads in the market are going to be 100% eco-friendly if you just dump it in the dustbin or if you just throw it in the landfill. So the chain has to be complete, only when it gets completed it is going to be 100% eco-friendly. The proper way of disposal is that it should be incinerated and it has to be converted into ashes which goes into the land. But this is not the way we are doing it right now, and so there are no particular 100% eco-friendly pads available right now. So now coming to the benefits of the herbs, the actual herbs present are aloe vera, tulsi and neem. You must be knowing aloe vera, it has immense cooling effect, and tulsi and neem is going to be loaded with antimicrobial properties. So what exactly does these herbs do? The blood, when in contact with the herbs, the medicinal properties actually get inside the vagina. As you know, similar to our nose, our vaginal hole also breathes, and also the skin pores. So when these herbs enter the body, it actually cleans up the system. There's no particular study done on this, but there are feedbacks from the actual users who have shared their experience with us. So usually people must be having irregular periods and cramps during menstruation, right? So while using these particular products after a long time, like say 6 months or 8 months, you will have the reduction in such kind of problems, and there will be regulation in your menstrual flow also. So these are not studies which are done, but these are the experiences from the actual users. So coming to the next point, the smell. So when you open a regular pad from the pack, you will have this scented smell, the artificial fragrance which is added. So that is sometimes suffocating too, I know. And also when you remove the used pads, it is quite suffocating also, because our blood is going to be mixed with the chemicals, and it kind of generates this suffocating smell. So when these herbs are used, so you imagine it's cotton and herbs present and no other chemicals present. So when these herbs get in contact with the blood, it actually absorbs the bad smell too. So that is because of the neem present. And also the top layer, saying the non-woven layer, it gives a rash-free experience, and because the cotton has this ventilation done, since it's of course a natural fiber, right? Because there is a ventilation, there will be no heat generated and your skin will not feel any irritation. So it is going to be a rash-free experience. So this is a normal herbal pad. See how fluffy it is. This is completely cotton, no added wood pulp, and it comes with a non-woven layer. At the back you have this leak-proof layer and the sticker removal paper. So similar to the normal pads, it has this wings model, and you'll have to peel the paper off. Just stick it on your panty, and the wings goes below. There you go. So this is how it is used. There's nothing different in this. It is similar to a pad, but as you can see, it is going to be very fluffy. It means the cotton is a natural fiber, right? So because of that, once you use it, like once it is like worn on the body, it is going to be very like soft and thin, so that is not going to be a problem. So this is all about herbal pads. If you have more questions on what the pads are, what is it about, why the herbs, you can put your questions in the comment section below. We are really happy to answer all your questions down there. And there are also n number of eco-friendly pads, plant-based pads, so you can like decide which pad is best for you. Do not go with the conventional plastic pads, which is not good for your health. Always go for a plant-based pads, and get to know what exactly the chemicals present are. So that is very important. This particular video is done only for that purpose. So you will have to be aware of what chemical exactly goes inside the pad, so that there are no particular like serious consequences for your health. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.